Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. Before we get to the wings, I wanted to let those of you who didn't know, I haven't done a video in quite a while. I wrecked my Ducati back in March, several vacations with my wife and kids, and also moved to Central Florida for a better career opportunity. All that being said, I'll try not to let that much time go by without some sort of content.
Okay, I'm gonna get a Bowflex. I'm gonna commit.
We're gonna start by separating our wings from the drums before placing on a rack and seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. While your rub sits on your wings, set oven to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. When oven is preheated, place wings on the middle oven rack for 15 minutes, removing, flipping wings and seasoning the backside with 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon. Place wings back in the oven for 20 minutes for a crispy outer layer. When they're done, it should sound like this. Alright, one more time. Next is our sauce. Has to be one of the most simple but rewarding sauces on the planet. Start by grating 3 cloves of garlic, adding to a medium-high temperature sauce pot, and deglazing with 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Stir and let sit for about 2 minutes before adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once ghee is melted and you've cleared out your sinuses, add a half cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce and a half cup of American maple syrup. This is coming from the Territory Lounge, none of that Canadian stuff. Once that simmers for 10 to 15 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Allow to simmer for an additional 6 minutes and allow to cool. Should come out like a thick glaze. And there we have it, guys. Add your wings to a bowl, drape your glaze over them, stir, plate up. Perfect for game day or just a new way to enjoy overpriced cuts of chicken. Till next time, cheers.